In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved homes in Zillow. If you've been browsing Zillow and saving homes for future reference, but now you want to clean up your saved list, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the entire process right from logging into your account to efficiently managing your saved homes list. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Zillow account. This is a simple process, and if you've been using Zillow regularly, this should be quite familiar to you. Just head over to the Zillow website and use your email and password to sign in. This is your entry point, and it's important for accessing your personalized lists and settings. Once you're logged in, direct your gaze to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll want to select Saved Homes. This section is where Zillow stores all the homes you've marked for future interest, and it's where you can manage them as necessary. Now, let's dive into unsaving those homes you no longer need, cluttering up your list. As you explore your saved homes, you might find that some are no longer relevant to you. To remove one, hover over the listing you wish to discard. In the top right corner of that listing, you'll notice a red heart icon. This heart was initially clicked to save the home. Clicking it again will unsave it, effectively removing it from your list. It's a simple yet effective method to maintain only those listings that truly catch your interest. But what if you want to carry out a grand sweep and remove multiple homes, especially those that are off-market or have been sold recently? Zillow offers a quick and efficient bulk removal feature. To activate this, look for the Remove option. When you click on it, you'll find different options for removing homes. Simply select the appropriate option for off-market or recently sold homes, and they'll be removed from your list in one swift action. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and curate your list of saved homes on Zillow. Such organizational skills not only keep your saved homes neat and tidy, but also ensure that every property you save is of potential interest and relevance. Whether you're in active home buying mode or just keeping an eye on the market out of pure curiosity, knowing how to manage your saved listings is always a useful skill. Thanks for watching, and happy home searching.